everyone, my name is Megan Stacey. I'm the artist in residence for the Tech Lab, and this is the second of a series of workshops we're going to be doing on art and technology throughout the season. This is the third of the classes we're teaching on cell phone photography, and if you're interested in joining any classes in the future, please reach out to the Tech Lab. As people have been stuck at home during quarantine, there's been a restlessness that's led to plenty of creativity. One of the best things to come out of this is the Getty Art Museum. Otherwise the Getty's Art Museum did not come out of quarantine. One of the best things to come out of this has been the Getty Museum Challenge, otherwise hosted on the Instagram account called Between Art and Quarantine. This is a challenge where at-home art makers are asked to recreate historical or famous pieces of art using household objects and a little creativity. The rules are simple. 1. Choose a famous or historical piece of artwork. 2. Use 3 or more items from around your household. 3. Stage and recreate the image. The museum provided a few tips and prompts for artists participating in the challenge, which I will provide with you now. I will share with you now. I will provide to you now. First, think abstractly. If you're having trouble recreating the exact image, pay attention to just the shapes and the colors. Second, pay attention to lighting. Look at your image and try to figure out where the light is coming from and what sort of light it is. Orient your composition so that a window or lamp is casting similar light onto your scene. In bright daylight, windows cast a bright blue sort of light, while lamps provide a warmer glow. Third, make a face and strike a pose. If you're interested in recreating a portrait or a group scene, pay attention to the expressions on the faces of the models. These really make your reenactment. Fourth, in addition to using just people or objects as models, the museum encourages using pets as models in your artwork or creating something that's edible. Finally, have fun with it. This is a lighthearted challenge that can involve the whole family in making something you're proud of. And as always, we can't wait to see what you make.